Hey guys, today I want to talk about this 2-inch lift kit. This fits 88 to 06 GM half-ton trucks and SUVs. So let's take a look in the box and see what's inside. So upon opening this kit, the first thing I want to talk about are these new torsion bar leveling keys. These are a solid ductile iron casting. They're CNC machined to provide you your 2 inches of lift. It also comes with these 2 inches of rear blocks. These along with your U-bolts and your hardware pack to give you an overall 2 inches of lift around your truck. And when you're all said and done, you got your zone decal that you can put on your truck, and then you can go have some fun.
These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension, retain your tail-high stance while maintaining your ride quality, to provide for bigger tire clearances, and also Zone comes with Factory Plus protection warranty.
If you're wondering what size tire you can run on this truck, you can run 33-inch tires, along with we have additional shock options to liven up your ride quality. And if you want to learn anything more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com and visit us on Facebook and Instagram and stay up to date on anything we got coming out.